I am super excited because I picked up this new dry erase monthly wall calendar. So basically it's a whiteboard, but yet it's got so many features. Let's get into it. I love the fact that it's got these magnetic markers, which you could pin probably a letter to, in a situation where you need something urgent, you need to pin it to. Or like I do, I mark certain days that I want to kind of like highlight their importance. So that's that. So I've been missing a few things, and the calendar on my phone, I don't trust. I'm not really into that. This is in my kitchen wall. I walk by this every day. It's big enough where it commands attention, and several times a day I'm walking by, I'm constantly reminded because let's face it, I'm getting a little bit older. Things are a little bit harder to remember and keep track of, and I actually been more busy than I have in years past. So let's get down to it. Dry eraser comes with 4 different color pens. This is the blue one. Has the eraser on the tip, so I could put a mark here, take the tip, and erase it. It also has magnetic capability so that I could just store the pen wherever I like on the board. Has a little tray down here to hold stuff. Has the big eraser, which is also magnetic, which sticks there conveniently. So no more losing the pens over here, over there. You don't even have to use the tray for the pens. Super clear, large boxes. This is a 36 by 24, I believe, and it fits my space just right. So over here, the month, I just add in the month. These tiny little boxes, I choose to put the numbers of the days there. Yeah, that's a little bit of effort, but it's only a minute or two a month. So that's not crazy. It has a section here for notes. You can write notes. What else? It's a totally blank whiteboard on the reverse. So it comes with all the hooks to attach it. It comes with the little loop hooks that you could attach it on the hook. And like if you want the kids to doodle or play on it, you can take it off, flip it, or take it around the room or the house. But I don't have that situation, so I just want the calendar. So I permanently attached it with the screws. So I permanently attached it because I don't want to move it. And my sister is threatening that she's going to take this because she likes it. She's a calendar girl, she says. So I always used a paper calendar when I used to work in an office, and it helped me keep track of things. And then when I left the office and started working from home and doing different side jobs and stuff, I kind of got confused. I got unorganized. And this, I really believe, is going to keep me on track. Plenty of space in the boxes to write notes. Like today, the 11th of August, I marked it with a blue highlight. It's video day. So I'm making video content for my YouTube channels, and I'm making this video for Amazon and my YouTube channels. So the value for what you get, I love the size. It commands attention, and if it does all this, then I think I'm gonna be on top of my schedule. I won't be late like I've been the last couple of weeks to things. And sometimes I missed one appointment, which is the reason why I made the conscious effort to pick up this calendar. So hopefully I avoid that in the future. Great value for the money. What else? Is there anything else? Not really. 4 pens, big boxes. I could write several things in there. Go to the supermarket, pick up butter, whatever, oil, whatever notes that you think you need, and then you cross them out as the day goes by. Like video day, Once I get past the day, I'm gonna cross that out. If tomorrow I want to shoot certain videos, okay, the screw gun video, do first. Second will be the whatever taillight video or headlight video. I do all these videos for content creation, and that's it. I walk by here about 20 times a day. I'm not going to forget. Commands attention. I think you'll like it too if you're into calendar. And if you're not, try it out if you're having trouble scheduling things. Thanks for watching.